Hi! What's a contraction in English? A contraction is a word made by shortening and combining two words. You drop a few letters from two words and combine them to make a word. Contractions take words that usually go together, like can not or I have, and then remove certain letters from them to shorten them and make words like can't or have. We use it in both speaking and writing, but there are certain rules when and how to use. Like in formal writing, it's not very appropriate. Now, the point of using contractions in our daily English is simply to save time by cutting off few letters to combine words. And it even sounds professional when applying contractions in your conversations or writings. Like, let me give you some examples. I am from India. It sounds a bit better when you say, I am from India. It is beautiful. You can say, it's beautiful. Now, there's no grammatical errors in English without applying contractions, but who doesn't love to sound like a pro? When I said there are certain rules on how and when to use the contractions, I meant that contractions are a sort of informal way of usage. They are usually used while having casual conversations or writings, say like writing a letter to your friend. Informal writing is very much like a spoken conversation because you are writing as you would speak. So contractions are very common in informal written English, such as personal letters, emails, text messages to your friends and families. They are out of place in formal writing, like academic papers or research reports. Let me give you a few more examples to make it clear. She has been studying for hours. Here she has. This can be replaced by removing the H and A from has, use an apostrophe to combine with she and make it she's. So you can say she's been studying for hours. Another one. I will be working late today. Here remove W and I from the will, combine them with the first letter I, use an apostrophe and say I'll be working late today. One more. He would love to go. Use only the D from the word. Combine it with he and say he'd love to go. Short way to say, right? Similarly, you have so many to use in your conversations to make them crisp. What is? What's the time? Can not. I can't find my glasses anywhere. Who is? Who's coming to your party? Does not. He doesn't have time to come along. Let us. Let's go to the store. You are. You're welcome. It is. It's time to sleep. Hope you found this video helpful for your daily conversations in English. Stay tuned for more. Bye.